Hi, welcome back to the show. Today I'm going to share with you a really great free resource that you can use in primary schools to help support with internet safety. This is called Google Legends. It has a 4-part game online called Google Interland. If you go to the Parent Zone website, you can book in your own free Google Assembly and you can have some presenters come in, set up the hall and present this to your cohort. It's absolutely amazing, engaging and fun, and it's a real good start to introducing the children to the 4 different worlds. The first area is called Tower of Treasure. Basically here, it's like a temple run type game. The second one's a platformer game. It's called Kind Kingdom. We have to share hearts and block trolls. The third game is Reality River, where you're given situations to do with things like spam and phishing. And the fourth game is called Mindful Mounting, and it's all about making sure you're thinking about who you should share your information with. Here is the first game, Tower of Treasure. You can see great graphics, really engaging, has lots of achievements and things the children can collect along the way. If they complete the whole module, they also can print off a certificate. This is the second game. It's called Kind Kingdom. You can see here, very much like a platformer, moving around, handing out hearts, handing out thumbs up. Then you've got the trolls here. You have to trap them by moving them, luring them away, blocking them, starting to learn about when to report, when to block, when to not feed the troll. This one's called Mindful Mountain. You can see here, it's a series of different mirrors. You're given options of where you need to share the information. Do you share it with your family? Do you share it with everyone? Do you share it with your schoolmates? And you have to avoid the oversharer who will share it with everyone. And we also have Reality River, where you are given a series of situations linked to things like email and phishing scams, and you have to make the right choices. I recommend having an adult to help read some of these questions and scenarios with the children who are a bit younger. I think this is a really great free resource that you can use in your schools. I would definitely recommend it as maybe an intervention if you have something like an issue come up with a child and something's happened at home and you've had it reported back. This is a good way that you can help support them, maybe have a good talking point, but because it's also gamified, they're very engaged in it. And make sure to click and subscribe for more videos. I've got a whole selection of them on my channel. Thanks, bye.